I'm Alex Harper and I have written a musical. I am possibly about to explode from excitement. There is 1 week until special opens. I'm so proud and I'm so happy that not only are people seeing what I'm doing, but seeing what disabled people can do and autistic people can do.
It is so exciting doing my own songs and being able to, showcase the songs I've written in the club. Hi, I'm Tanya Sims and I'm a songwriter and I'm with I Heart Songwriting Club. I've been a member since 2017, so I've written at least 2 journals full.
If I hadn't joined the club, there is no way I would have written 200 songs. And so some of my best songs might have been missed. Hi, I'm Natalie de Jager. I'm here in Brisbane on the Queen Street Mall and I love the I Heart Songwriting Club. Just bringing so much creativity to my life, a discipline, but a fun discipline that is just so beneficial. Not only so I can produce songs that I'm happy with, but just the process of creating is so wonderful. I've got 3 children and I live in a pretty small house, so I am generally writing my songs in my living room, which is also the TV room, the dining room. So with my kids around, sometimes it can be distracting, but I now just write even if they're in the room. I don't let it bother me, and sometimes I even include them in the songwriting. It's really great to carve out this time for my own creativity and remember that I'm important too, and doing the things that I love is going to really nourish me and make my life more enjoyable and make me a more enjoyable mum.
Hi, I'm Lisa Richards. I'm a singer and a songwriter. I live in Canberra and I am visiting Brisbane, playing a show on the Queen Street Mall with the I Heart Songwriting Club. 2 of the songs I've played in public once and 2 of them I have never played in public. I'm always looking for things to keep me motivated and improving as a songwriter, and I joined I Heart Songwriting because the idea of writing a song a week and having a 1-hour period and being given a prompt was very exciting to me, to have the framework that I could just throw myself into.